gel, so I'm not gonna mess it up. You would laugh because, hey, if I'm picking it up and I might scoop whole jars off, because I did it accidentally the other days when I was on live, and I spilled whole entire trays off. Okay, looks really good. Be honest, you don't need to do anything else because it's so beautiful. However, if you want to add some of the crystals, I really want to add the big flowers on. Should I?
Look, Chanel. So you can come to our official website at glitzaccessories.com. All products are available there, and we currently have sales going on too. So save you some money.
Okay, I'm gonna just dress it up. You know what? Just for my preference. Your preference, you don't have to do anything. You put some crystal in here, you're good to go. I think so gorgeous right here. Okay, but I just want to have some fun with this. And we're gonna floating the no wipe top coat on the top, which is also this is a second step from our 3-step methods to adhere crystal placement. So I'm gonna put, I do not want to cover it, but I also want to cover it. That's beautiful already, but hey, you don't have to, okay? I just say that is for my preference. I love it because it's gonna change the colors, and I want to see how it is gonna be. So it's just for my preference. So now I did it already, and I'm going to place some of my gloves crystal. I'm obsessed with this, and it's under $5 nail art, and I even have more fun. They are I think it's available in 5 colors now, but I believe we have like 8 different colors. So stay tuned for more, 3 more colors. But this is like, you can get beautiful 5 colors right now. I'm gonna using this one right in center. I don't care if it's like dark color. I'm gonna put the lighter one on it. Oh, nice. You know what? It looks like what do I call that one? Xương á, gọi là gì?
Boom.
No. Xương in the morning.
Oh, mist.
It is.
Morning mist.
That's one.
Or fog.
Frog. Fogs.
Fog or mist. Work the same way. The little cloudy thing in the morning you see.
Miss.
Mist sound nicer.
Why too far? Okay. Alright, so I am doing it right now. I just add some beads on. I just love it. Just added some on. And I put between the crystals. This one's cool though. I like that a lot. Alright. So the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to set or cure until you are happy with it. So in the meantime, you have all the time in the world to just really like adjusting it the way you want it. Okay, put one there. Great. All right, so I'm happy with this. I am going to cure for 60 seconds.